On this episode of Too Many Projects Garage, you saw in the last one, we just messed with the Del Sol and checked out what was all inside. Now we're gonna see if we can get it running consistently, figure out why the gas tank isn't working. We're gonna pull the gas pump out, or fuel pump, I meant to say, and go from there. But first, we're gonna see if that massage seat works. We got the massage seat chilling. We're about to plug her in. If we can.
Alright, let's do this one back.
Alright. We do the back one, yeah, that was easier to access. Ease of access here. Okay. Moment of truth.
Power.
Does it work?
Does the car have to be on for that lighter to...
Probably, I would think so. Ooh, it has heat even. It's heated seats. Oh, it works.
Everything vibrates.
Sit in it. Try it out. Stupid noises the car makes. Does it feel good?
Sure, it's weird.
It's got heated even. It's even got heat too.
Oh, let's turn the intensity up. Hi. Oh, it's pretty intense. Oh, Annabelle, hold
Oh, the doggies are saying hi.
See what Annabelle thinks of it.
She probably won't like it. Oh, hey, Lilu's checking it out.
Annabelle, you want some massage?
Lilu's like, no. It's only in the back anyways, so. She wants whatever's in the, she wants the almonds, is what she wants. Which you're not supposed to feed almonds to dogs anyways. Just FYI, you're not supposed to feed almonds to dogs, people. It's not healthy for them.
You wanna get up?
She's like, I want to get in the car. There you go, she got in.
Mix.
Ooh.
That's weird.
It's got two vibrators in the butt. Here, shut the door. The bing, bing, bing is annoying. Lilu, come here. Get in the car.
Too late.
Okay. There, that's much better. Less bongy. She's like, no, you love me.
Oh, it's on. Now it's on high.
Come here, Lilu. Good girl. Good girl.
Turn the heater
Ooh,
on.
she's all pinty.
I wonder how many watts this draws.
Like I can hear it in your voice. But it's kind of awesome that it still works after like, what, 10 years now, I'm sure? It's probably 10 years old at least. At least 10 years old. I wonder if the heat works. You should try that out.
Turn it on.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Now that we need it,
Can you
it's
feel
91
it?
degrees
Can you
today.
feel the heat?
Not yet.
Not yet. Like you're vibrating. I might actually keep this thing. This is kind of cool. Use it in my Civic, you know, in the winter. Keep me warm, you know. You just have it on full intensity?
Just full blast.
Full blast.
Pulse.
You can hear it. Listen.
Side to side. Turn off the butt.
Oh, weird. We can do only the butt. That sounds weird.
It's like your thighs more than anything.
Your thigh. Well, I mean, it is kind of in the thigh area.
There's the lower back.
It's cool that it still works.
The shoulder is the most intense.
Sounds like it. I can hear it. It's very loud. What are you doing back there? Well, that was fun.
That.
Kind of entertaining. Can you feel any heat?
No, the thing turned off actually.
Only heated up for a minute, huh?
May just be hot enough in here already that
it's like, probably like, oh, it's already warm. Okay,
bit.
never mind. It is pretty hot right now. It's like 90 degrees out. Which is annoying. She's coming to say hi.
You sneeze on me?
All right, off to the fuel tank. All right, guys, even though I managed to break the handle, we did get it open. And that fell shut because it doesn't have any struts. So let's pop open the, let's pop this puppy. It should just come right off. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And it was leaking, so I'm gonna put some grease on the,
put on the
tarp, yeah. And the cool thing about this is it fits perfectly in this little tray thingy. How neat is that? for storage purposes. Yep, you just lock it in and it keeps it secure.
Neat.
Pretty cool. But we're not going to put it in there for now because it still needs cleaned. The trunk does so. But now we have the top off. How cool is that? But yeah, we can definitely tell it's leaking a little right here on this. But the seal actually still feels okay.
Nice and soft.
Yeah, so I'm going to get some of that Shih grease and just go over it just to kind of rejuvenate it a little. And hopefully that'll help it not leak any, because you can see, I think there's some water getting on the seat. It's a little gross looking. I really like the seats, man. These are cool. I hope...
Especially this one.
Yeah, that one's like perfect. This has seen better days. All right, we're going to take the center console out right now. Check it out. We got the whole center console out and the back piece without breaking a single thing. Except for there's something that was already broken, but that's not my fault.
Found lots of plastic bags inside the center console.
Yeah,
somehow.
I think some rats were pulling some plastic bags in there. This is my idea, or my thoughts at least. So we have access to the top of the tank, so we can pull out the fuel sending unit, and hopefully it's not absolutely nasty in there. It probably is though, but it looks like it'll be really easy. We're gonna vacuum this. He's gonna sweep it. I'm gonna suck it, and hopefully you can get this looking a little bit nicer in a second. All right, guys, we cleaned this up. As you can tell, it looks a little nicer than the last clip, and we got a little sidetracked and we lubricated all the seals with some new Shih grease. And honestly, I think it's going to do much better when it comes to sealing. I think it was leaking a little bit, but I think now it's going to be way better. So that's really nice. So we're going to get to pulling the cover off, and we're going to see how bad we can make the interior of the car smell. We did put some fresh gas in, so it'll dilute it a little, at least, I guess.
If we put about 3 gallons in.
If it's anything like the Civic was, it's going to be pretty grody in there.
A variety of screws.
And we found a lot of stuff from like 2013 in here, which is it's like very reminiscent of the Civic too. So, but this car is like a few years newer. I don't know if that makes a difference. Probably not. And it's driven probably a lot more. It's been ran a lot more recently, at least. Okay, here we go. What's it look like under there? If you can get it off of there.
It's sealed.
Might use a flat. Oh, ooh. We're rigging the seal. This is probably the first time this has ever been off in the history of this car's life. Oh, wow. Ooh, it's
Step
a little,
one.
a little dirty up in there. But there's the top. This is one really nice thing about this car versus the Civic. You can actually get the top of the fuel pump through the car, which is really nice. So we're gonna check for 12 volts at that plug just to make sure the pump is actually getting power, and then we're going to maybe take the fuel pump out. I don't know, we'll see. Probably not. So we're thinking it's not getting 12 volts because if you turn on the key, nothing happens, and it should be priming the pump right now, and it's not. So
yeah, it's the millivolts range, in case anybody was curious.
Yeah,
so it's
not good.
Showing nothing.
So let's check fuses. That's important. Good news, everybody. We've got a bad fuse. I don't know if you can see that, but it's bad. So I got a brand new blue fuse, and we're gonna stick it in there, and we're gonna see if we can get fuel pumpage. Exciting times. Well, we plugged it back in, but we're not sure if that actually did the trick or not. So we're gonna try to start it to see what happens. You never know. Oh.
Bad connection. I saw lots of sparkage.
Got a bad connection, guys.
Oh, it's like
Oh,
barely on there.
that could be why the pump wasn't working. Very possible. Well, that's promising.
Yep.
It just started right up.
Let me tighten the fuel fitting back up.
Okay. Well, that's pretty exciting, guys. It just started right up. All right, ignore the beeping, but...
Don't start it, just turn the key to prime.
Okay, it's on.
Off again?
I heard the fuel relay.
No, there's no fuel coming up.
Dang. It's trying a little bit.
No, like I have the line disconnected.
Ah,
No fuel coming out of it.
dang. Well, we know it runs, but fuel no worky. Hey, we got air. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, yeah, that is nice airflow. Me likey that. Ooh. So there's nothing coming out of here, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, I got it shut. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. I can't wait till I get AC in this. It's gonna be nice. Sorry for the audio quality. I'm using the mic from the camera, so because my mic died. Check it out. We got all the bolts off, and apparently it smells horrible. I can't.
It already smells bad.
I've lost my sense of most of my sense of smell, so I can't really smell it very well, if at all. So
first look.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Shades of EF.
Literally is exactly identical to the EF.
I can't believe it ran at all like this.
Holy bejesus, man. It is gross. Literally just as bad.
Incredible.
Great. Round 2. Hey, we already have the sock.
This one was trying though. Like it actually.
Can we get
started.
this pump to pump on its own on a battery maybe? Just to see what happens.
It still needs to be replaced.
Well, obviously, but I have another sock.
Let this. There's no reason to put that in this tank right now.
No, that's true. We need to get a fuel siphon pump.
I need air.
we're gonna have to seal this up again here in a minute, but well, we know what the problem is, guys, and that'll be next time because today is almost over and it's getting late, and I gotta save up some money. Get it out. Get it out of here before it drips on stuff. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Next time we'll be replacing a fuel pump and seeing if we can get it running reliably. Check it out. It's looking pretty dirty down in there.
Why is it so blue?
It's they put two-stroke fuel. Oof. It's not really actually as bad as I thought it would be in there. It's still pretty gross. Don't get me wrong.
This way.
But honestly, I think it is better than the Civic EF.
Maybe.
But not by a crazy amount either. It's not as cloudy. Well, it's pretty dark though. We did dilute it.
The bottom is just black. The abyss.
Yeah. All right, well. Good times. We're gonna put we need to put something over this hole, so.
Like this.
Will that be enough to seal it?
Nope.
No, we need to put something over it. I think we should put the fuel pump back in maybe. Anyways, new fuel pump, yay! And clean out fuel tank, yay! Par for the course, huh?